so excited. Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I'm Julia. I'm a Buffalo-based content creator, and I love making videos about fashion, hauls, lifestyle, party planning, all the things. And today I'm so excited for an Abercrombie haul. I just got a few new tops from Abercrombie, and 2 of them are in, so I figured why not start this haul. It's like a $68, I think, Abercrombie haul. It's not too much. We didn't spend a lot of money because the Abercrombie was having a great sale, and I was able to apply also like an additional promo code or something on top. So we got some really good discounts, and I got 3 super cute tops, and I'm so excited to try them on. My package is in! I have 2 of the 3 tops in, and the top that I got is the A&F Zoe bra-free lace top. I got it in the color black, and I got it in the color white. Each of them is a size small. So let's try on the black first. I want to try on the black first because I have the tiniest bit of makeup on my face, and depending on how the black top goes on, that's gonna tell me whether or not I can try the white one on. If I end up getting like any bit of makeup on the black one, that's easy, I can rub that off, but then I'm not gonna risk it with trying on the white one, and I'll just wait to try it on when I don't have makeup on my face. So let's try on this first top. Okay, so here's the top. It is super cute, and let me explain. So I'm not gonna try on the white, and here's why. It's too big. So without getting too weird here, you can, there's like too much, I don't know if you guys, I obviously I'm not trying to flash the camera, I'm just trying to show the like kind of gapingness that's happening with the top. It's just too big. There's too much room. Like if I bend over, yeah, it's a little too spacious. I think it's so cute. Here's what I like about it. I love the cut. I think this is so flattering, like the extra lace all around. I think that's adorable. I think the sleeves are so cute. I think the lining of it is adorable. The kind of ruching here, I think, is adorable. I love everything about it. It's so soft and so comfortable. And what I can kind of show you guys, so this is an extra thick lining. You can almost see right there, you can kind of see that is the lining that the entire top is lined with. So it's almost as if there's like a bra pad, but for the entire, like for this entire top half. And it's the same, like, it's the same color on the inside all across, but this part feels like double lined, where, I mean, I guess they're both double lined, but this one feels almost like a little bit, it just feels a bit like thicker in the front. And I think there's just this like, yeah, there's like an extra bra pad that is literally built into the top. It's so cool. It's so cool that the bra pad is literally built into the top. It makes it really freaking comfortable, and aka bra free. Like, it's part of Abercrombie's new bra free line, and now I totally understand how and why they're calling it bra free. It's because they literally have bra pads built into the top and kind of like an extra thick and super soft lining. I absolutely love it. It's just a little bit too big. I've got too much room here, so unfortunately I'm definitely gonna need to exchange this top and the white one. What I will say is there's a chance that the third top isn't too big because it's a very different style, but there's also a chance that it is too big. So I will wait to see when that third top comes in. I will definitely try it on for you guys, but I'm not even gonna bother trying on the white top since I got them both in a size small. They're both gonna fit and just be a little bit too big. So I think I'm probably gonna swap them out for extra smalls. So yeah, I'll keep you posted when the third top comes in. Okay, so the rest of my Abercrombie order came in. The last, aka third top that I ordered is in. It is the color, it is in a black, it is a size small, and honestly, I'm gonna have to open the app to tell you the name of it because it didn't come with a little slip, which is odd. Good news is that the other two came with a slip, so I have like a packing slip to be able to return it. Okay, so this one is called the Bra Free Twist Halter Cutout Top. Color black, size small. That is what it looks like. Sorry, it's like horrible. Okay, there you can kind of see it, even though it's blurry on my phone because I'm clear. So it's in. I'm gonna try it on and I'll show you guys and let you know how it fits. It might be too big, maybe it fits. We'll see.
How is that, like a tripod outfit?
Is that a tripod
Yeah,
outfit? Do you guys hear that? What the fuck does that even mean? Is that a tripod
It
outfit?
looks like a triangle.
Okay, well, since I'm wearing, this is a bra-free top, but I'm wearing a bra because I'm not gonna just take my bra off just because I was, you guys, you have to suspend. Like, what would it look like without the bra? You gotta kind of. Here's the top. You know what? Okay, I am gonna take the bra off because I really can't, I can't gauge how well I like it. Well, no, here, I really like it. I just can't gauge how well it fits with the bra on, so hold on. I think that the size small fits really, really nicely, and I absolutely love this top. Oh my God. I'm usually not a big halter neck kind of girl, but this is so flattering. Open back, so cute. It's also so comfortable. Like I told you guys with the other tops, it's got, I can literally feel the bra pads and I can honestly like bring them up and kind of like move them within the top as I see fit. Like I'm gonna bring it over a little bit more, move it up a little bit more. Like that's really, really nice. I honestly love that. And I just think this is so flattering. I think the little twists here are so cute. This top, honestly, even with these pants, but this top with jeans, with like honestly any pants for like a date night, a going out look, a girls night, this is so cute. I specifically got this because I was like, I want like a cute, I want like another one or two cute tops for going out, and this is exactly what I was looking for. I also love the length of it, so it hits like right here, which is honestly right at like the low, kind of like low waist. So if I wore low waist jeans, they would honestly, it would hit perfectly. If I wore something high waisted, I could leave it kind of like these pants. I could leave it over, or if I wanted to, I could also easily tuck it in. I think it looks cuter worn out like this. But yeah, I just think this is such a cute shirt. Cute. The cut of it is just really flattering. I just think this is so nice. It's a nice way of like making it look really dressed up without it being like, I don't feel like I'm like exposing too much skin at all, but it is like a nice kind of elevated look, you know? Super, super cute. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to end up exchanging the other two tops. So these two are going to get swapped out for extra smalls, and when they come in, I will definitely let you know how they feel, what they look like, and all of that. My Abercrombie order has arrived. The top has come in, so I'm so excited. I'm gonna try it on and show you guys what it looks like. I just tried on the top and I'm obsessed. It fits so perfectly now. As As you guys can see, when I get a little bit closer, there's no like gaping anymore. Like it's just a good fit, and it's so comfortable. It's so soft. It fits so nicely. It comes to a perfect length. I'm wearing a black maxi skirt right now, which is honestly a great bottom to kind of pair with this. I feel like this looks super cute together. I love the neckline. I love the like sweetheart top of it, and I love the extra like lace trim. I just think that's so like delicate and dainty and just looks so pretty. And then these two details down, and then like the ruching here on the top. I just think it looks so nice. I think it's really flattering. I think it's cute. I think it's a perfect top for like kind of creating a little bit of an elevated look. I think this would look so nice with black jeans and little black like kitten heels, or even just like blue jeans and some black boots. I think there's so much that I could wear with this top. So that is the end of our Abercrombie haul. I'm so happy with this top and the other top, the little one with like the tie and the little like kind of like little V. Oh, I'm obsessed with both. So if you guys liked this Abercrombie haul, hit a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Oh, you want to see it? You want to see it? Yeah? You think this is for you?